Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Gnarly Creatine is probably one of the most sought-after supplements in the fitness world, and for good reason. It's renowned for its ability to enhance strength, power, and muscle growth, making it a staple for athletes and gym-goers alike. But with so many options on the market, how do you choose the right one? We're diving deep into Gnarly Creatine to see if it lives up to the hype and if it's the perfect addition to your supplement stack for achieving your fitness goals. Number 5. BulkSupplements.com Creatine Monohydrate Powder. Unlock your potential with our pure creatine monohydrate powder. It's micronized for optimal absorption and is completely unflavored, making it easy to add to your routine. We ensure our product is gluten-free and made with only the purest ingredients. You can trust what you're putting into your body. Each serving provides a potent 5 grams of creatine monohydrate. This is the ideal amount to support your fitness goals effectively. This large 1 kilogram, 2.2 pounds, container ensures you have a substantial supply. It's designed to keep you fueled for an extended period. Incorporate this into your daily regimen to help enhance your physical performance. It's a simple yet powerful addition to your training. Thanks to its micronized form, it mixes effortlessly into any beverage. Enjoy a smooth, grit-free experience every time. What we like. This option offers a pure and gluten-free experience, perfect for those with dietary sensitivities. Its large 1 kilogram tub ensures you're stocked up for a long time. If you're looking for a no-frills, high-volume creatine to support your general fitness goals, this is a solid choice. What people say. Bulk Supplements micronized creatine mix is incredibly easy. I can put it in cold juice and give it a whirl with a spoon. It is so easy to mix. My benchmark for seeing whether or not creatine was doing its job was to see how much water I am retaining. I don't have a scientific way to do this, but after taking this creatine for about a week I have noticed 1 to 2 pound increase in body weight without any significant dietary changes. This tells me that I am retaining more water than normal, so I think the creatine is doing something. I'll always recommend this brand over others because of the purity and quality of the ingredients used and the value for the amount you're getting. Number 4. THORNE Creatine Monohydrate Powder. Unlock your potential with our premium creatine monohydrate powder. It's designed to support both your muscle growth and cognitive function, helping you perform at your best. Experience the difference of micronized creatine for optimal absorption. Each serving delivers 5 grams of pure power to fuel your workouts and daily activities. Train with confidence knowing it's NSF certified for sport. This ensures the highest standards of quality and purity in every scoop. Enjoy the freedom of unflavored powder. Easily mix it into your favorite beverage or shake without altering the taste. Whether you're a woman or a man, this supplement is for you. It's formulated to support active individuals like yourself. With 90 servings per container, you'll have a consistent supply to support your fitness journey. It's a smart choice for long-term results. What we like. This product is NSF certified for sport, making it a top pick for tested athletes. It also supports cognitive function, adding an extra layer of benefit. If you prioritize third-party testing and are seeking a creatine that benefits both your muscles and your brain, this is the one for you. What people say. This creatine has been amazing for my workouts. I've noticed a significant increase in my strength and endurance. I love how easily this creatine mixes with water, no clumps at all. The powder is very fine and dissolves quickly, making it easy to take before my training sessions. Number 3. Jacked Factory Creatine Monohydrate Powder 425g. Unlock your body's true potential with our premium creatine monohydrate. It's designed to fuel your muscles and enhance your performance, whether you're hitting the gym or pursuing your daily goals. Experience the power of pure creatine monohydrate. Each serving delivers a potent dose to support muscle growth and recovery, ensuring you get the most out of every workout. Our formula is proudly vegan-friendly, making it suitable for everyone. Plus, it's third-party tested for purity and potency, so you can trust what you're putting into your body. With 85 servings per container, you'll have a consistent supply of this essential supplement. It's the perfect addition to your daily routine for sustained energy and improved results. Enjoy the unflavored versatility of our creatine. It easily mixes into your favorite beverages or post-workout shakes without altering the taste, making it a seamless part of your nutrition. This supplement is crafted to support both men and women in their fitness journeys. It provides the essential building blocks for muscle strength and endurance, helping you achieve your personal best. What we like. This option is vegan-friendly and has undergone third-party testing for quality assurance. Its micronized formula ensures easy mixing. If you are a vegan athlete or simply prefer supplements that are rigorously tested for purity and efficacy, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It's creatine. Does what it should, no taste whatsoever. It's completely tasteless. It mixes pretty well into cold liquids, but I prefer it in warm because it's absolutely traceless. By day 8 my muscles were visibly more visible and had a slight ache in some, but for me that was great because it meant it was working. I feel like the strength of it is legit and definitely does work. I haven't felt any side effects. It definitely gave me an energy boost when I started my workouts, and also I noticed that when I clean up around the house I'm getting more accomplished. I had hip surgery a number of years ago and I am not as tight and limited in range of motion anymore. I am able to work out much harder without all the painful recovery periods. No flavor or weird aftertaste. Mixes well in a blender bottler, though you need to shake for a bit, as if you don't it does taste a bit chalky. But if you shake for a bit it does not have a chalk taste and dissolves completely. Noticeable gains in both muscle and in ability to push through final sets. Have been taking it for 2 months now and going to buy more. Great price for a great product that works. Number 2. Cellucor Cor-Performance Creatine Monohydrate. Fuel your workouts with advanced creatine monohydrate. It's designed to help you push past your limits and achieve new personal bests. Support your muscle growth journey with this powerful formula. It aids in the development of lean muscle mass, helping you sculpt your physique. Experience a noticeable boost in your athletic performance. This supplement is engineered to optimize your body's natural energy production. Get the benefits of pure creatine monohydrate without unnecessary additives. It's a clean and effective way to enhance your training. Each bottle provides 72 servings, ensuring you have a consistent supply for your training regimen. Maximize your gains over time. Join countless athletes who rely on this creatine for their performance needs. It's a proven ingredient for serious training. What we like. This creatine is specifically formulated for strength and muscle growth. It's designed to help you build lean muscle mass effectively. If your primary goal is to increase your strength and achieve significant muscle gains, this supplement is tailored to meet those needs. What people say. It's unflavored, mixes easily with water or any drink, and doesn't have any weird taste. I've noticed better strength and performance during workouts, and it doesn't cause stomach discomfort. No nonsense creatine monohydrate that just works, this is the one. No fancy flavors, no fillers, just clean, pure power in every scoop. Each serving packs 5 g of creatine, which is the sweet spot for building strength, endurance, and muscle. The micronized texture is clutch. It mixes effortlessly, no chalky clumps, no gritty residue at the bottom of your shaker. I've noticed improved strength, better workout performance, and faster recovery. The powder mixes very well with water, has no taste, and is easy to take daily. Number 1. Crazy Muscle Creatine Pills. Are you ready to elevate your fitness journey? Discover the power of pure creatine monohydrate designed to fuel your muscles. Experience the difference with our 3x concentrated formula. It's packed with 5 g of pure creatine monohydrate per serving for maximum impact. Enhance your pre-workout routine and prepare your body for intense training sessions. It's the perfect partner for your toughest workouts. Support your goals for lean muscle growth and mass gain. This supplement is formulated to help you achieve a stronger, more defined physique. Enjoy the benefits of high absorption with an easy-to-take pill. Our unique creatine blend ensures you get the most out of every dose. Achieve optimum performance whether you're a man or woman. It's designed for anyone looking to enhance their physical capabilities and promote growth. What we like. This product comes in pill form, offering a convenient and easy way to get your creatine dose. It features 3 types of creatine for potentially enhanced absorption and effectiveness. If you dislike powders or are looking for a high absorption, multiform creatine supplement that's simple to take, these pills are ideal. What people say. My strength and endurance have both improved noticeably, lifts feel smoother, and recovery time is shorter. What I really like is the convenience of capsules compared to powder, no mixing, no mess, and easy to take on the go. Great. Definitely helps juice up your muscle cells with water, gives you that strength edge, helps you get the extra rep and maintain weight and strength when cutting a bit. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.